Out here, the weather doesn't wait. And neither do you. This is the SPINN ProWrapp, a fully self-adhesive waterproof gear protection engineered for the unexpected. Wrapped in smooth, heavy-duty microfiber with a bulletproof closure. Hook and loop all over, lined with a barrier that laughs in the face of water. It's not just weatherproof, it's gear-proof. The SPINN ProWrapp. Photo, travel, outdoor. Wherever you go, it protects what matters most. ProWrapp is your reliable companion for all adventures, whether they're everyday activities or more exotic expeditions. Its protective features ensure your gear stays safe from bumps, scratches, dust, and wet conditions. Perfectly adjustable without adding bulk or weight. With a new brand loop, you can use ProWrapp to store your lenses while shooting from your tripod, for example. Of course, you can use the inside of the ProWrapp to clean all your glass surfaces without leaving any residue. ProWrapp is your perfect work surface wherever you go. Wrapping your gear is super easy, safe, quick, and space-saving. Whatever technical equipment you need to carry, ProWrapp offers you a space-saving, secure solution for storing your belongings. Whether in bags, in the car, or on your bike, the SPINN ProWrapp. Wrap it, seal it, trust it.